Hey there, moneymakers. Welcome back to the channel where we talk about making money online without spending a dime. If you love shopping or getting paid to shop, this is for you. Don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. So what exactly is online mystery shopping? Companies want to know how well their websites and customer service are performing. But they can't just ask their employees. So they hire people to secretly evaluate their online shopping experience. You browse the website, maybe make a purchase, and give your honest feedback. It's shopping with a twist, and yes, you get paid. So, how does this all work? First, sign up with a reputable mystery shopping company. Top sites include MarketForce and IntelliShop. You'll receive a list of assignments and choose which ones to do. Submit your review, wait for approval, and then cha-ching, money's in your account. Here's a pro tip. Take your time when writing reviews. Be the Sherlock Holmes of shopping. Every detail counts. But don't overdo it. No one wants a 3-page essay. Now the question on everyone's mind, how much can you make? Mystery shoppers typically make between $10 and $30 per review. And even better, you might get reimbursed for purchases. Hello, free products! Look at it this way, you're getting paid to be a little nosy. It's like peeking through your neighbor's window, but from your couch. Getting paid to be curious is the best gig out there. Ready to become the James Bond of online shopping? Here are tips to nail it. First, be honest. Companies want your true opinion. Second, be reliable. Submit reviews on time. Third, check for new assignments often. So what do you think? Ready to test your shopping skills and earn some cash? If this video helped, subscribe, and share it for extra side income. Thanks for watching. Keep those receipts, stay curious, and see you in the next video. Happy earning, everyone.